Hello, in front of me I've got MG ZS. In this video I'll show you how to enable speed limiter. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Right here, go to car, and in MG Pilot, intelligent drive, select limiter. Now you can select speed limit assist between manual and intelligent. Now on the steering wheel, press steering wheel button, and now the speed limiter is enabled. You can see that by this icon right here. You can switch it to manual, and now you can manually change the speed limit by pushing and pulling this button. To disable speed limiter, you can press steering wheel button again or press intelligent drive off. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.